Today I am in the Asian Inspirations kitchen with my man, Leslie Chan, who's going to teach me how to cook Chinese food. You're the expert on cooking everything Chinese?
Yeah, Chinese food today.
It's yourself?
100%.
So how did you get started cooking, Leslie? Tell me all about it.
So actually I started cooking this when I was 4 years old in Hong Kong. I love cooking. But today I'm going to show you this lovely fried rice.
Yes.
What they call lovely? It's cooked from the heart.
Everyone loves fried rice. Right?
Yes.
It's one of my favourite things. Then you've got to put XO sauce in it, which I absolutely love.
Yes.
Can you teach me how to use a wok?
Yeah, no problem. First of all, you turn on the heat first.
Okay, well I got that one, Leslie.
You turn on the heat first?
Yep.
And most important, there's a tips for the Asian cooking.
Yes.
When you put any ingredient before you cook in the wok, make sure it's hot enough.
Yes, right, really hot. Same when you're cooking a steak on a barbecue, right?
Yes,
you
like
wait
same thing.
You want it to smoke up and you see it's ready to go, so...
Pumpkin first.
Okay. And so is the order of things because that's going to take the longest to cook?
Yeah, so this one go longer to cook and actually want to get a really, really brown taste.
Okay.
Aromatic on the wok.
So it's going to get a bit sweet and stuff?
Yes. And then you add in different thing in it.
Yep. And this is?
This is the gailan.
Okay, and we're just using the stem.
This part is called the stem part.
Okay, yep.
It gives a crunchiness to the dish.
I like it.
So you put the prawn in it.
Love it.
And also,
I love learning to cook. This is awesome.
scallop. So can we give it a toast now?
Toss. There we go.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, hey.
Lovely. The mushroom, because dry mushroom is very good flavor, but you put in the water first for about half hour.
Hot water?
Yeah, you can hot water.
So that's a shiitake mushroom?
Yes, shiitake
dried.
mushroom.
Yeah, nice.
Very good. Love it. Fine.
You don't have to chop that fast at home, but if you want to, you can. Okay, I'm going to try it.
Why not?
If I lose a finger, we might have to cut this episode short. Ready?
Oh, good.
No, I don't like it. This is scary.
Well, look at the colour, Michael.
It looks beautiful.
You like it?
That's the lovely fried rice bit,
Yeah.
right?
It's so lovely.
I love it.
So next one what we do, so this one already done for the sauce.
Yes.
And then I'll prepare the pork. So we're gonna love this, we marinate with the
I
lovely
can sort of marinate a little
sauce
bit.
here.
Yes.
About
I
2
love oyster
tablespoons.
sauce. It's such a, like that umami flavour is beautiful, I think.
Yeah, about half teaspoon of sesame oil.
Nice.
And then about half teaspoon of cornstarch.
Ah, okay. And what does the cornstarch do?
So cornstarch is actually the binding ingredient when you cook, it gives you better texture. And
okay,
also,
cool.
when you do it in the fried rice or do it in the sauce, they can thicken the sauce.
I love it. Yeah. So pork in.
The pork in.
All right, so Leslie, we've got the porks in there with our other stir-fried ingredients.
Yeah.
This is the fried rice bit, I'm guessing?
Yeah, this is the fun part now.
Okay.
So we do the main ingredients. So we do the fried rice with egg as well.
Fried rice is usually made with leftover rice. Is
Yeah,
that right?
so that's a good part of fried rice. You need to dry it first.
Yep.
So sometimes for the dinner, if there's some rice left over, don't put it in the bin.
No, save
and
it.
keep it and save it.
But it's important for our friends at home, you've got to really make sure you cook it hot.
Yes. So what we do, so in Asian cooking or Chinese cooking, you have to cook in a hot wok and quick toast.
That's why you do fried rice, isn't it? To make sure it's safe for your customers the next day or for your family or whoever's eating it.
Yes. And you add the egg in.
Egg first. Love it.
About 2 eggs.
Yep.
We don't want to fully cook.
Yes.
So if you fully cook, you can get a color.
Yeah.
So what we do is you stir it a little bit. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah.
Hey.
Perfect. And then add the fried rice in it.
Ah, cool. And then the egg sort of sticks to the rice.
Yes. And you can see now the rice we cover by the egg and you toast it. Look at that. Beautiful.
I'm so
look at that.
I don't know if I'm getting this right, Leslie.
Lovely toast. Yeah, you can see the color now.
Yes, yeah, nice
fully
and yellow.
covered, the golden. So we put it on the plate and then we made the sauce put on top. I got a lovely XO. You can be lovely egg sauce. Beautiful. I use about 2 tablespoons.
Yeah. And so for me, it's full of umami, which is a crazy kitchen word, but essentially just means really nice, savoury flavour.
Keep in the sauce is perfect.
Even more umami.
Yeah, add a colour in it.
I love this.
So about 2 tablespoons as well. Same quantity of the XO sauce.
So if you guys haven't tried XO sauce at home, I think it's one you've got to grab from your supermarkets. The Lee Cup Key one is beautiful and it goes so well with, I love it with dumplings as well. So if you haven't tried it, buy it.
So lastly, I add about 1 teaspoon of the cornstarch.
And that's going to thicken again like last time.
100%. Just in it?
In it, yep.
Beautiful.
I'm learning so much.
Oh, look at
here.
the sun. Lovely.
You want that?
Isn't it?
Yeah, nice.
Aromatic. What is on the top?
Yep. And mix it.
And mix it. Then your sauce is done.
So how long do we cook this for?
So I believe 1 minute after you can see the thick up.
Yep.
That's done. Put on the top here.
Straight over the top of the rice?
Yeah, put it on the rice.
That's awesome.
Lovely. Oh, look at that. Michael.
How's that?
You did a good job.
This is awesome.
So Michael, this is our lovely fried rice.
I love
XO
it.
sauce with Putin style.
Now-
Beautiful. We call it lovely fried rice because from the heart.
Guys, Leslie's lovely fried rice. You got to do this.
Oh,
with
good.